Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for all the muscle car lovers out there. The 2026 Chevy Nova SS. This legendary nameplate has roared back into the spotlight, and trust me, Chevy didn't hold back. The Nova SS is no longer just a piece of muscle car history. It's been reimagined for the modern era with aggressive design, advanced tech, and pure performance that pays homage to its legacy while pushing forward with confidence. Let's start with the exterior, because the first thing you'll notice is that this car demands attention. The design of the 2026 Nova SS is a bold mix of retro styling cues with modern aerodynamic touches. The front fascia features a wide Lowe's-lung grille that's flanked by slim LED matrix headlights, giving it a mean and focused look. The sculpted hood with functional air vents screams performance, and the aggressive bumper design completes the muscular front end. Along the sides, you've got those classic coupe proportions with a slightly widened stance and sharp character lines running from the fenders to the tail. The wheels are huge -20-inch forged alloys with a sporty multi-spoke design wrapped in high-performance tires. Around back, the rear end is just as aggressive, featuring quad exhaust tips, a subtle rear diffuser, and smoked LED taillights that nod to the classic Nova lineage. And yes, that SS badging is proudly displayed throughout, from the grille to the rear panel. Now, stepping inside. The 2026 Nova SS brings an impressive combination of retro-inspired elements and cutting-edge technology. The interior is a serious upgrade from what you'd expect in a traditional muscle car. First off, the cabin is driver-focused, with a cockpit-style layout that wraps around you. The seats are premium leather bucket seats with contrast stitching, offering great lateral support for spirited driving. You've got SS embroidery on the headrests, adding a nice touch of flair. The dash is clean and modern, featuring a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that displays all your performance metrics from G-force to boost pressure and lap times. In the center, there's a massive 13-inch infotainment touchscreen with Chevy's latest MyLink system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and even track mode settings. The interior ambient lighting can be customized with multiple colors, adding to that futuristic vibe. And don't worry, despite all the performance DNA, the Nova SS still gives you comforts like dual-zone climate control, a premium Bose sound system, wireless phone charging, and heated and ventilated seats. Performance-wise, the 2026 Nova SS is nothing short of a beast. Under the hood, you've got a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine pumping out a monstrous 650 horsepower and 650 pounds CIFT of torque. This engine is paired to a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. And for those who prefer the classic feel, a 6-speed manual option is also available, a nod to the purists out there. With all that power, the Nova SS rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, and the top speed crosses 190 miles per hour. This isn't just straight-line speed either. Chevy has equipped the Nova SS with a magnetic ride control system, upgraded suspension, Brembo performance brakes, and launch control to make sure it can carve corners with precision. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising down the highway, this car offers insane power with surprising control and balance. Driving modes let you switch between comfort, sport, track, and custom, adjusting the suspension stiffness, steering feel, throttle response, and exhaust note. Speaking of that exhaust, it's loud, throaty, and pure American muscle. You'll want to drive with the windows down just to hear it roar. Fuel economy obviously takes a back seat in a performance car like this, but Chevy has managed to keep things reasonable for the segment. You're looking at an average of around 16 mpg in the city and 25 on the highway, depending on how heavy your right foot is. Now coming to the price, the 2026 Chevy Nova SS is positioned as a premium performance coupe, and its pricing reflects that. The base model starts at around $55,000, which gets you all the power and a good amount of tech. But if you want the fully loaded version with all the performance packages, carbon fiber accents, premium interior, and upgraded wheels, you're looking at a price tag closer to $70,000. That said, considering what you get, the raw performance, the aggressive styling, and the tech-packed interior, it's honestly a strong value proposition against competitors like the Dodge Challenger SRT or the Mustang GT500. To sum it all up, the 2026 Chevy Nova SS is a brilliant revival of an American icon. It doesn't just rely on nostalgia, it backs it up with real performance, cutting-edge features, and head-turning style. Whether you're a longtime Nova fan or someone new to the muscle car world, this car will absolutely leave an impression. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take the new Nova SS over a Mustang or Challenger? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.